We are now live with Chloe Carter with two R's, and she'll be giving us an apartment tour.
This one girl to be like,
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. It's Mars. Hello. How are you? Good. Good to see you.
Baby girl.
If you could be a star sign, which one would you be?
Well, I'm already Capricorn and Aquarius. I think if I was to choose to be something else, I think I would choose to be a Scorpio.
What's your biggest fear? Heights?
Oh yeah. My biggest fear is heights, but maybe it would be never living up to, like never actually being able to live my dreams.
What are you passionate about?
What am I passionate about? I love to tell people what I'm passionate about. I am passionate about art, music, drama, family, friends, and I feel like I forgot something. YouTube.
Favorite animal?
My favorite animal of all time would be a zebra.
Why zebra?
Actually, no, a tiger.
What's the best part of this trip?
Coming.
Worst part?
Leaving.
Who is your favorite person?
I would say my grandma. I love her.
And if you could describe yourself in 3 words, what would you say?
Charismatic, funny, and goofy.
And what's your best trait?
My best trait is that I speak English.
Worst trait?
I speak English.
What did you learn about being in Portugal?
I learned that life is very, very short, but we have to embrace every great moment that we have.
Who does your hair?
The frontal lab.
Favorite outfit?
I would say the red one. Wild thoughts.
And how many times did you get moved to your Afronation?
That's a secret.
What did you eat today?
Nothing.
Did anyone eat you today? Who was your favorite performer?
Burn Boy, every single time. Actually, no, Octavian. I've never seen him before.
And what's something we all need to know about Afronation?
It is great. Just to put so much African artists, not even just African artists, black artists in one place, it's amazing to just do that.
How do you balance YouTube on your holidays?
I don't know, because at the same time I want to live, but at the same time doing YouTube allows me to live.
What's something no one knows about you?
I'm a very, very deep thinker. I'm deeper than just the surface.
Have you got any new poems for us?
I can give you a new poem. Okay. It's called The Heart's Desires. Okay. If my heart was a producer, blood wouldn't be the only thing you'd be able to stream, because if my heart was a producer, it would make its own beats. We would use its sound, 4-chamber music that you'll be able to download from iTunes. My heart spits bars, doo-dum, doo-dum, doo-dum. My heart is always on beat, doesn't ever miss a jump. If my heart was a rapper, I'll call her Little Pump.
Hey! When was the last time you cried?
I cry all the time. I think I cried when Amber won Love Island, because she done it for City Girls, Hot Girl Summer.
Who inspired you?
I'm inspired by a lot of people, but I think my biggest inspirations are my family and friends.
What would you tell your younger self?
I would tell my younger self to always be myself no matter what. No matter how hard it gets, always love yourself.
And what would you tell your older self?
Live your best life and appreciate all the things that you learn.
You come across as confident. What's your secret?
My secret is that I wasn't really confident. I think I'm really shy. But when I was like in last summer, I used to write down one thing that I loved about myself every single morning.
What country are you from? Who's your favorite Disney character?
Minnie Mouse.
If you could marry a Disney cartoon, who would it be?
I think I would choose Vince LaSalle from Recess. He's
And what's your best physical trait?
my smile,
Your best mental trait?
my mind.
What is one thing that you want to tell us?
Um,
Tell us one of your many strange thoughts.
The other day, I found a Christmas card that I wrote to my granddad, but he passed away before I gave it to him. So I just wondered if heaven has a mailman.
Okay, so we are about to end the video. If you could be a food, what would it be?
Snack.
You looked here.
You, because you have to press record. All you have to do is just press record. Alex, I'm locked out. I'm trying to do the video. It's not funny. It's actually not funny.
Sorry guys.
Alright, I'm a bit waved. But this is our apartment. This is the balcony. You see your ocean view. Okay, I'm gonna take you guys inside. Come follow me.
And you know you made me tempted to me I them. I wanna take you to the islands. I wanna put you in designer. I introduce you all to my friends.
Let me show you the best part. Come. Just follow me. Just come. I'm dragging you right now. Just come. Just come. Come on. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Come on, guys. And now look at me. Living my best hot girl summer. This is probably part of the 2 hours. And I thank you guys for watching my videos all the time. I'm going to be back every single time. Harder. Cheers to me, bitch!
You should know how it goes. Shoot my shot, I got relationship goals. You got out my password to everything that's online. Paying like a Shawnee, but you never on time. Babe, come spend time in my city. I'm litty, but I know you headed the committee.